Turns out that the LM2596 module is overkill. Removing that module and removing the junctions on the A-B points of the step-up converters will increase the power output drastically. I'll show this now by another test. So let's start the rotations. As you can see, at 60 RPM we already have a current of 50 milliamps. Now let's increase the RPMs a little more. Now we are going at around 240 RPMs and we have almost 600 milliamps, or let's say at 300 RPMs. Now we are at 300 RPMs or 360 and we have 750 milliamps. Increasing further more, 420 RPMs, that was about the storm speed, 800 milliamps. And see what we can get. 900, 950. Okay. That seems to be the new limit, 950 milliamps. Quite a difference. Let's also test at what RPM we reach 5 volts. That is, at what RPM the wind turbine becomes useful. So let's start. We're going at 120 RPM. 180, there we are. At around 100 RPM we already reach 5 volts. And now when I stop it, it keeps that 5 volts for a few seconds because the capacitors still have some charge. Now it drops. Alright. So we can say that we can use the wind turbine at lower speeds and at a much higher output without the LM2596 module. That's great.